Welcome to an exploration of the 51st Surah, Dhaariyat, the Scattering Winds. This video is based on the Tashri' of Sayyid Abul A'la Maududi, taking you on a journey from visible signs of nature to the invisible truths of the afterlife. Surah Dhaariyat was revealed during the Meccan period alongside Surah Qaf, at a time when the message of the Prophet ﷺ was met with intense denial and mockery. It was a time of psychological friction, a war of words and wills, where verbal rejection was at its peak. Humanity often holds contradictory beliefs about the ultimate end, leading to a chaos of conjecture. Maududi argues that these conflicting theories are not based on true knowledge, but are merely guesses constructed to fit personal desires. Building one's entire life on a guess regarding the afterlife is a disastrous folly. Passing a lifetime in ignorant negligence, only to be confronted by a reality for which one made no preparation, is the ultimate tragedy, a fatal calculation. Maududi states that there is only one way to verify the news of the afterlife: open your eyes. He invites the intellect to observe the system of the heavens and the earth, as the visible organization of the universe testifies to the truth of the revelation. Evidence 1. The system of provision. The winds and rain are a managed system of rizq, or provision. The argument is that just as there is a physical administrative order for sustenance, there is a moral administrative order governing the consequences of human action. Evidence 2. The structure of creation. Look at the construction of the sky, the composition of the earth, and the complexity within yourself. A universe built with such precise order cannot be purposeless. The creation testifies to a creator. Evidence 3. The universal law of pairs. Everything in creation is made in pairs, like day and night. If duality is the law of the universe, then this life, or dunya, must have a necessary counterpart, the afterlife, or akhirah. Without it, the pattern is broken. The verdict of history. The surah cites past nations as data points, not merely stories. The governing temperament of the universe demands a law of retribution. Those who lived in arrogance and rejected the truth face destruction, proving the moral law is as rigid as the physical law. The purpose of existence is declared: I have not created jinn and mankind except to worship me. We were created for ibadah, or servitude and worship, of Allah alone. We were not created for ourselves or for others. Allah is the sustainer, not the sustained. He is the provider of all rizq. He feeds and is not fed. His godhood relies on his own power, dependent on no one, unlike the false gods of old who needed sacrifices. The roots of rejection, opposition to the prophets, was never based on reason or logic. It was rooted in stubbornness, obstinacy, and the arrogance of ignorance, or jahilana gurur. This pattern of rebellion mirrors the treatment of all prophets. The directive: turn and remind. Do not consume yourself with those who are obstinate. Turn away from them. The mission is to continue the work of tadhkir, or reminding. Even if the arrogant do not listen, the reminder benefits the believers and strengthens those who seek the truth. Indeed, what you are promised is true. The winds scatter, the sky witnesses, and history warns. The judgment is a reality, and the promise of Allah is true.